Majo, John, Ned, and Juanito in Acamal, Mexico, where this little cat, Pequeño, little cat, teaches me stress management every day. And I'm at the Smyrna's Cafe Town, and there's Myrna herself over there. And this guy does deliveries for them. He's in and out every day. And I want to do a little talk about yawning. Myrna in here is a world-class yawner, and every day I'm saying to her, good yawning. I studied reevaluation co-counseling for 25 years, Harvey Jackins. I'll give you the link. It was all about stress release, emotional release, getting rid of trauma. Yawning is great. Yawning is a tremendous stress reliever. Never interpreted as boredom.